Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Whatever time you are watching this video from, I say greetings to you and thank you so much for coming. And it's been an awesome period, and I decided to drop this one quick so that we can see what the market is doing, and then we can make money off the market and take advantage of the market opportunities that are presenting themselves. Alright, so this is Volatility 25 index, and the day of recording this is on the 9th of December 2023. This analysis is going to be viable for a very long time, of course, because I'm going to be using the top-down analysis to break this chart down. Very simple. If you understand the top-down analysis, you already see this is very simple. In fact, this is one of the simplest charts that I would analyze, and I can do that in seconds. But then probably because of the teaching and the instructional aspect of it, it will now take us a little bit longer. But then if I were to do it alone in less than 3 minutes, I should be able to do and know where I should wait for the market to come, and then look for my entry triggers. All right, if you know me very well, you know that anytime we do analysis, I like to go on a higher time frame. I like to do the top-down analysis because I do not use indicators to trade. So I like to do the top-down analysis. So that what is the top-down analysis, guys? The top-down analysis is we go into a higher time frame and then coming to a lower time frame to now make use of the opportunities we are seeing in the market so that we can make money. All right, because the goal end of trading is just to make money. Nobody is trading to lose money. Even the ones who are losing money are not happy that they are losing money. This is not their goal. They came to trade because they want to make money, not because they want to lose money or donate it to the market. Nobody is happy doing that. So we will go to the higher time frame. We'll project the market. We'll project thousands of pips into the future, and then we look into the market and we take trade opportunities on lower time frame. Trade opportunities on the lower time frames as they present themselves. So now this is the monthly. I like to go to the monthly time frame first to look at the overall direction of the market. Guys, we do not trade on the monthly time frames. No, we do not trade on the monthly time frames. What we do on the monthly time frame is for us to come to the monthly time frame and then to look at the overall direction of the market, guys. The overall direction of the market. Overall direction of the market. This is very obvious. The market is currently buying. All right, currently the market is buying, but then you can see that the buy that is currently happening in the market is just a completion of a pullback on the monthly time frame. What do I mean? When you look at this, you will see that all right, good. You will see that first of all, the markets had, all right, let's do this from here because 2017 is not really valuable. All right, let's delete all of this. The market created a high, all right, and then the market created a low. Guys. The market broke structure here, guys. Can you see? This is basics. This is market structure basics, guys. Market structure basics. And you know that whenever there is a break of structure and a new high or a new low is created, what do we expect, guys? We expect a pullback. And by the time the pullback is completed, we expect the market to continue selling. All right, I'll return back to its original direction. So now the pullback is currently on, which is the buys that have been happening from the beginning of this year. Oh my God, let me see. January, no, okay, this is December, November, October, September, August, June, July, June, May, April, March, February, January. Wow, from the beginning of this year, this guy has been bullish, man. Bullish. So you see now, the bullish leg of the market is just to complete a pullback, guys. A pullback. So the pullback could have stopped here where it just currently broke and return and then create a new low or probably an equal low, depending on what the market wants to do. We do not control the market. We do what the market wants to do. All right, good. Do you see? Do you see, guys? Good, guys. Do you see? Good. So, now that the market didn't stop here, all right, there are three places that I would have loved the market to stop. Remember that we do not make our entry on the monthly time frame. We do not make entries on the monthly time frame. This is another level, another zone where I will want the market to turn from. And then finally, this is the last zone or area where I will want the market to turn from. All right, guys, do not treat these zones as just a line that it must be inside this box. No. It can just around that area of it. When you see your entry triggers, you can enter the market and trade in line with the direction of the market. All right, so guys, now that I know that the market is bearish, but currently the market is bullish. All right, so okay, the market has been bullish, but the bullish, remember that the bullish aspect of the market now is just to complete the pullback phase of the monthly time frame structure. Just to complete the pullback phase of the monthly time frame structure. And so now we want to be buying the market. We want to be buying the market to these regions where I marked and see market reactions there before we can now sell the market downward, guys. Before we can sell the market downward, we need to see market reactions. We need to see what the market is going to do. And of course, I have my entry triggers. My entry triggers are the pull, pin bar, the engulfers. These are my entry triggers. But now, guys, that we know that the market is currently bullish, you look at the last three candles. Of course, if you are being part of my channel, you know that you're supposed to have looked at the last three candles, and of course the last three candles bullish. In fact, it is very, very obvious and very clear that the market is bullish, guys. Very obvious that the market is bullish. Very obvious that the market is bullish. So what do we do, guys? I go to, remember that on the monthly time frame, the only thing we want to see, we are not taking trade there. All right, we are not looking for structure. We are not looking for whatever. No, guys. Because if we are to take trade on the monthly time frame, the stop loss is going to be too big and too huge. So we do not take trades on the monthly time frame, guys. We do not take trades on the monthly time frame, my friends. So what do? We go down now to the next time frame, which is the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame. Good. So on the weekly time frame, I can see a bit of structure. So let me delete this. We have known already that the monthly time frame, about what the monthly time frame is telling us. So let me delete this from the monthly time frame. All right. So now on the weekly time frame, we can see structures forming and bullish structures forming. You can see from here, of course, high. Is that not so? The market now created a low. Is that not so? The market now created a low. And then from there, the market gave us a high. Good. Is that not so? Or better still, we can say this. All right. Whichever. This. The market gave us a high. And of course, if there is a high, we should expect a pullback. The market gave us a pullback. Is that not so? And then now the market now created a new high. Good. The market now created a new high, guys. Now when the market created a new high into this level, let me see. Good. When the market created the new high into this level, let me adjust this a little bit. Good. All right. I would have been looking for my entry triggers around there, but then you can see that the market has broken it. All right. So what are we expecting to see now? We're expecting to see a pullback from around this region where the market is currently. All right. around this region where the market is currently, okay, and then we can buy it up. So I'm expecting a pullback for the market to pull back into this level. All right, guys, hope you're following. All right, let me delete all of this so that my chart is not messy and is well understood. That's just the line I use to explain market structures. All right, guys, so now we are expecting a pullback into this level. All right, if the market pulls back into this level, I will now be looking for my entry trigger to buy the market into this zone. All right, if the market breaks this zone, this zone, all right, this zone, then I'll be expecting it to go all the way up to this place. Do you see, guys? And then from there, boom, we will bring this guy down. From there, man, we'll bring this guy down. From there, from that point, we'll bring this guy down, man. Good. From that point, we'll not bring this guy down. Woo! Good. All right, you see? So these are the places I'm expecting the market. All right, guys. I hope you can see this. I hope you can see this, guys. You see now? So these are the places. So when the market comes here, around this point, I'm expecting to see my entry triggers and my entry patterns. All right, let me think all of this out so that the chart is not messy and you now can understand what I'm doing. So what are we expecting, guys? I'm expecting a pullback to this level. Once that pullback happens, all right, of course, that's a better level I'm expecting the market. But most of the times, I've told a lot of people already, I love it when the market comes to play the last candle, the last opposite candle before the move to that direction. In this case, this is a sell candle, the last sell candle before the buy move. If the market comes into this zone, guys, I will not be expecting to see, of course, 15 minutes daily break or structure, you know. I'll be expecting all of that. All right, so let's adjust it. Let's go to the daily time frame. Good. This is the daily time frame, and so on the daily time frame, this is what we have. All right, let's go back to the weekly. Good. 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 So now, guys, on the daily time frame, this is what I'm expecting. All right, this is what I'm expecting on the daily time frame. I'm expecting the markets to come back to any of this region, then we can shoot it up again. If you're an experienced trader, you can as well catch the sell. If you're an experienced trader, you can actually catch the sell that will happen from that point down to this level. If you're an experienced trader, you can see now. Let's look at this on the daily time frame. The daily time frame is already showing us and giving us structure, of course. All right. Let's see. Good. The daily time frame is giving us structure, of course. Look at this. Let me change the color so that we will be able to understand it very well. All right. A low, a high, a low, guys, this is a basics. Let's say here high. Let me not make it complicated. So let's say this is a high. I don't know if the market is going to stop there, but if it stops there and then begins to pull down, that's good. Do you see now, guys? Do you see? Do you see? Do you see? Do you see? So what are we expecting, guys? We're expecting the market to now sell and fall down to this level. When that happens, we want to now continue taking the market up. All right, I want to take the market up. So where are my target levels? Good. Where am I targeting, guys? First day's profits when the move starts is around this region, guys. My first day's profit is here. This is my first day's profit. Where's my second take profit, guys? My second take profit is here. But my first is going to be here. Alright, guys. I'm tired. But my first take profit is going to be here. And then my second take profit is going to be here. Alright. So what do I want to see before I can bring this market down? Of course, because it's going to be a very huge move before the month ends. To end the month probably. I want to see a 4 hours bearish engulfing. I want to see 4-hour break of structure. Let's see what the 4 hours is saying. The 4-hour break of structure, my network is a bit bad. Alright. Okay. The 4 hour is already giving us sign, guys, that this is where the market is going to drop from. But then we do not know because of this bearish engulfing that I saw. Look at this. This bearish engulfing candle here, man, it spells trouble. It's trouble. It shows that this guy is about to fall from this region probably because of this bearish engulfing. You can see all this. Look at this massive range that happened here. The market pushed up. All these massive candles that went up cannot go above this bearish engulfing candle, guys. You can see now. And now on the 4-hour time frame, another bearish engulfing candle is about to form. But then I would love the 1 hour to print me structure and then break the structure down to the downside. If that happens, good. The 1 hour is already printing structure, so I want the 1 hour to give me structure, break the structure to the downside, push back into it, and then, guys, I know that it is time for us to enjoy the ride all the way down. And then also to get this trade, you can also use a counter trend line to enter this trade. Yes, guys, you can also use a counter trend line, guys. You see, you can also use a counter trend line. 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4th touch to the upside. Now it is not coming down to the trend line. All right, it's not coming down to the trend line. So when that happens, yes, guys, good, guys. So if that happens, okay, I still think that there's still room for this guy to go up. That's what I think. Yes, that's what I think, that this guy will soon go up. That is what I think. That is what I think. So now I'm thinking that this guy is still going to go up based on this minor trend line. This minor trend line here is telling me that this guy is about to fall. All right, this minor trend line is saying this guy is about to fall. 1 touch, 2 touch, the 3rd touch is coming. So this guy, so I'll wait for my trend line to be broken now. Yes, guys, let's see. Yes, exactly. So let me take this one out. All right, good. This is what I'm waiting for. So if this happens, guys, I take my ride. If this happens, let's go back to the daily. Good. So yes, that's it. All right, guys, so let me delete all of this so that the chart is not messy. Let me delete this. Good. So what am I waiting for, guys? I'm waiting to see 4 hours. Of course, I told you that 4 hours already printing me something. So the daily candle will soon close. I'll wait to see what nature of the candle on the daily time frame that will close. Once that happens, I now begin to look to sell the market. But then I would love to sell this based on structure break. structure break, because the market is still far from my trend line. All right, it's still far. So I would like to bring this guy all the way down to the trend line first. All the way down to this trend line first. You see now, all the way down. So I want to see break of structure so that I can write it down to this trend line, and then from this trend line probably it will go up to this point before the sell cannot think of happening. Yes, to this point before we can now sell the market finally. Before we can now sell the market finally. Before we can now sell the market finally, guys. Before I can sell the market finally. Woo! So guys, you see, this is top-down analysis. We're done. We're done, guys. We're done. 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 All right. You can drop your questions in the comment box, and whichever pair you want me to analyze, of course, I'm going to do that so that we can make money from the market. That's just the goal of trading, that will make money. All right. So before this guy falls down to this place, these are the things we expect. Expect it to violate this trend line, and sometimes when the violation of the trend line happens, the market usually will pull back into the trend line again, guys. The market will pull back into the trend line again, and then from there, before we can now come. Woo! So you see now, guys, so these are the things I'm expecting. Of course, guys, this is just the market is not as perfect as this straight line I'm drawing. So when they are happening, they are just going to be happening around these places I draw all of these things. But then the market they don't use ruler to be measuring the market, and the market moves in this straight line order as I am drawing now. So that's not exactly what we expect. Okay, all right. So well, this is the picture of what I'm seeing currently now as the market is concerned on volatility 25. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you for your support. Please do like and subscribe and share my channel. God bless you. I will see you on the next one. It's going to be very soon. I want to be dropping contents back to back, and I want to be using the top-down analysis to be doing all of these things without indicators for you, so that you can see that these things, guys, they are easy. You see, now somebody else somewhere now is thinking the market is selling, because on the 4-hour time frame the market is printing a bearish candle, and the person is selling this market, selling the market. All right, the person is selling the market. But me, what am I doing, guys? I'm not doing anything. I'm sitting on my hand. I'm waiting. I'm not doing anything. Nothing. I won't do anything. I'll just be waiting to see what will happen in the market. And so whatever happens in the market will now show me what I want to do. I like the market to tell me this is what I would do, 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 this is what I would do. So just this is going to be fine, I think. Yes. So just this is fine. We want all of these things to happen: break of structure, bearish and coffin, and then we can ride the market all the way. If this market violates the trend line, guys, we are coming down all the way to this red zone that I marked. Thank you so much. Bye bye for now.